Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am finally getting this DIY instructional video out for the stuffed animal storage. So stay tuned. To begin this project, you're gonna need some fabric. My last video, I used a long pillowcase. This time I'm using some sheer curtains. You're gonna need some push pins or some little nails or command strips. If you're using push pins, I definitely recommend the longer ones. Stay tuned and you'll see why. You'll need a hammer and you'll also need something nice and sturdy to stand on. So you'll need 4 push pins to begin with. So you're going to choose your preferred corner in your bedroom and you're going to hang up your fabric in this like big wide U shape in that corner, as you can see right here. A big wide U shape. So this part's a little bit tricky for me to record since I am also building the storage, but you're going to take that piece that is hanging down in the front and you're going to wrap it around to the back, and you're going to hang it up a little bit higher than what you have the first section hung up at. So here's what that looks like after I got that pinned up on that side. So I'm going to go to the next side and do the same thing. I'm just going to take that bottom piece and wrap it underneath. And that's where I'm going to pin it at. Alright, so this stuffed animal storage is almost complete. The seat is right in the back right there, and I just need to get that pinned up. So here is the stuffed animal storage after I pinned the corner of the fabric to the wall. I will point right there. The focus is, you kind of can't see that well, but I pinned the fabric right there to the, not quite the corner of the wall, but pretty close. So that will be what it'll look like. Now it's time to get my daughter's stuffed animals out. We just moved not very long ago and they've been sitting in a box. So, oh, there was her phone. I'm sure I'll find a few other things in there. Yeah, we got to get these stuffed animals out of this box and to their new home. But first, I'd like to give them a little freshen up. They don't smell bad, but I would just like to add some of this mixture of water and fabric softener. And I'm going to spray them down really good and let them dry just so her room can smell like laundry. So once I got my concoction all mixed up, I started spraying down her stuffed animals. I did make sure I moved them around a little bit just to make sure I didn't miss any. But this stuff smells so good. I love the smell of laundry. I love the smell of laundry, especially anything downy. So if you are like me, you should definitely try this out. And what I did is just sat a fan in front of the stuffed animals and let them dry for about 20 to 30 minutes before I began to get all the stuffed animals hung up. So right here I decided to add an extra pin in the back just to secure the seat for the stuffed animals a little bit better. And I did start with the bigger stuffed animals. I do recommend that so that you can see the smaller ones in the front. And this is the finished product. And I must say, they look so much better up there than inside of a box or on the floor or just somewhere lower where they can easily just be not put away. Now, it had been a while since I actually first did this project, so I did learn something in the process. The storage idea stayed up throughout the night, but while my daughter was at school, the stuffed animals fell down. So what I did is just secured the fabric with the longer push pins. As I stated before, you want to stick with the bigger push pins, not the round ones. Those didn't work out. I thank you so much for tuning in to my DIY stuffed animal storage tutorial today. If you'll be trying this hack, please leave a comment below. Until next time, bye.